Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking about some clothes that I brought from Yesstyle and just my general first impressions. In case you don't know who Yesstyle is, they're a clothing brand and they sell skincare products, cosmetics, and a bunch of other random stuff like wigs. All of their stuff is super affordable and like mad cheap, and for the most part, it looks very stylish. But I ordered a couple of crop tops from them, and I also ordered a pair of shorts, even this scarf. Everything that I ordered came up to less than $80. So it was a really good snatch. My first impressions of Yesstyle were not all that great. I had originally ordered from them back in early June and I didn't get my clothes until randomly 3 weeks later. And the problem wasn't that I got my clothes 3 weeks later because we're in the middle of a pandemic, I get it. But the real problem was the fact that I never received an email confirmation code. I didn't receive any type of information on whether or not Yesstyle had even known that I ordered something from them. So when I emailed them about this, we had some pretty heated exchange, but they basically denied that I had ever purchased anything from them. So when I got my clothes 3 weeks later, I was very surprised. I never apologized when I got my things or like sent them a follow-up email, but if y'all think that I'm wrong, then leave it in the comments below. So now I'm gonna show you what I bought, and after that I'm just gonna go over some real simple impressions of the brand and what I think. She likes chocolate covered strawberries. This shirt did not look the way that it was advertised, but overall it's pretty cute and I'll keep it. Baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. These were the shorts I was talking about, and low-key I was afraid that they probably wouldn't fit me, but the way that they fit, very impressed, and I like them. So it's a keeper. I thought this dress was really cute on me, and I didn't realize until later on that this dress would be super cute with a cardigan thrown over it. So once again, another keeper. And with some chunky white shoes, like yes, killing it. So y'all, I love V-neck sweaters, crop tops, anything, and this is so cute. Like, I love the way that it fit me. Another keeper. This purple shirt definitely did not look the way that it was advertised, but I would have to say if you could style it right, then it's mad cute. Another keeper. I would definitely order from Yesstyle again, although I had that very bad first impressions of them when ordering. Other than that, I would say the clothes that I got were so cute and I would recommend it. Like, I would do it again. When it comes to price and affordability, I would say if you could afford to buy from Forever 21, then you could afford to buy from Yesstyle. It is so nice. Like, do it. It's worth it. So there you have it. I would definitely buy from Yesstyle again. I recommend it to you. And before I let you go, I just want to thank Naba, Satora, and Emily for generously donating to my GoFundMe account, and these videos and my future on YouTube is not possible without you all. If you would like to know more about my GoFundMe account, then there is a link in the description below, and it will give you all the information on what that whole fundraiser is about. But until next week, see you all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.